Count me in. I'm one in a million. And you are too, or you can be, in the FLIA way. That's living with fun, loving, intentional adventure every day in every area of your life, with your health, with your finances, in your career, in your relationships, and the list goes on. And I'm so committed to living the FLIA way and sharing it with people that I've set a goal to talk to 1 million people. Yes, that's 1 million people. Are you one of them? If you are, or you want to be, or you want to know more, go to the website, theintuitivephoenix.com/one in a million. That's theintuitivephoenix.com/ the number one in a million. And for those of you who don't know me, I'm Dr. Jenn, the co-creator of FLIA. Until we connect, I'm sending you lots of FLIA your way.